Guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are gonna share with you bomb recipe from Korean cuisine. So this recipe is spicy cheesy chicken recipe that will blow your mind, guys. So guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So for this beautiful recipe, guys, we are gonna need first of all vegetable oil. In total, guys, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. We are gonna need soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Honey, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. Also 2 tablespoons of pepper paste. Guys, if you don't have pepper paste, you can replace it with tomato paste. It's okay also. Then, guys, we are gonna need 50 grams of mozzarella cheese. Then, guys, approximately 400 grams of chicken fillet, and we are gonna need 6 pieces of garlic, and I'm gonna use dried ginger, so I have got here 4 pieces, but this one is very tiny. Then, guys, we are coming to our most beloved spices, guys. So for the spices, we are gonna use salt, black pepper, red sweet pepper, and 1 tablespoon of red hot chili pepper, guys. You know that Korean cuisine uses a lot of spicy things. So for this one, if you want it to be really spicy, you can use 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons, depending on how much spice you can take. But I'm not gonna use much because I can't take much. So it's just 1 tablespoon, guys. That's it. Let's First of all, we are gonna season our chicken. So I have cut chicken in cubicles, small cubicles like this. And first of all, we need a bowl like this, and you're gonna add your chicken fillet first. Then, guys, we are gonna start. First of all, I want to add pepper paste. We are gonna add our minced garlic, all of it. Okay. Now, so guys, basically I've added minced garlic and minced ginger here. If you have fresh ginger, you can mince fresh ginger and you can add that. Now it's time for the oil. So in total, I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. For this, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. So there we go. 1 and then 2 tablespoons. The third I'm gonna use in different place. The soy sauce, we need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1. Then, guys, we are gonna use, guys, it's time for the honey. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. So this is 2. Guys, it's time for the spices. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of red hot chili pepper to other spices. And here I've got salt, black pepper, and red sweet pepper. I'm gonna mix them all up. And then we are gonna add them to the chicken also. We are gonna mix it up. If you want to use your hands, you are welcome to do that. If you want to use fork or spoon, you are welcome to do that. But from my experience, this is the best way to mix it, just with your hands. Guys, we are gonna leave it like this for 5 minutes. So all the spices and all the sweet and all this savour taste will go into the chicken fillet, and we will have this taste in our mouth later on, guys. So 5 minutes. I want to preheat the oven. After cooking the chicken, I'm gonna place it in the oven. So what I need here is, I have ranged for 25 minutes. I want it to be preheated for 10 minutes, and meanwhile I'm gonna cook the chicken, and then afterwards I'm gonna place approximately for 5 minutes here. Time to cook. So we are gonna open the fire on the highest level, and then we are gonna add our seasoned chicken to our pan. Guys, it's really nice mix. What we want to do here, we don't want to waste it. So what I'm gonna do is, I have here 1 glass of still water. I'm gonna add it to our bowl. Just make sure all this paste doesn't go for any kind of waste. So guys, then we are gonna add it to our mix here. Make sure you mix them, and we'll let it cook. So guys, approximately it's gonna stay here for 10-15 minutes. We just want the water to be soaked, all right? It shouldn't be there after it's cooked, all right? So we are gonna close the top of the pan. Guys, once in a while, just mix your chicken. You see that beautiful texture, and it smells beautiful, guys. It smells good. It's so appetizing. So guys, this is the texture that you want. All right, you see the sauce is really thick at this time, and you can see that chicken is cooked, but it doesn't have water. It just has thick texture of the sauce. This is what we want. So at this stage, what we do is we close the pan. Then guys, you're gonna need a tray like this, or any type of tray that you have. A tablespoon of vegetable oil, and just mix it and make sure that you have it in all places. You place this chicken mix to the tray. Half is gonna give really great taste to our beautiful food. Shredded mozzarella cheese. If you like any other type of cheese, you're welcome to use those. I have this and I really enjoy eating, and also enjoys eating mozzarella. For that reason, we are using this type of cheese. That's it, guys. Now it's time to place. So what I have is just right about the time. I've got 6 minutes. So for 5 minutes, I'm gonna put in the oven our chicken preheated already. All right, guys. Don't forget, preheating is very important when cooking in an oven. See you after 5 minutes. Ta-da! Guys, it's ready now. Look. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. So this is cheesy, delicious. Guys, the key point that I love in this recipe is you are gonna see right now. It is cheesy and it is so beautiful. See? Look at this cheesy food, guys. Oh my goodness. That's it, guys. Now look at the chicken. It is so bomb, guys. With all this cheese. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this recipe, and are you in love with cheesy recipe from Korean cuisine, guys? Thank you for watching again. Wishing you all to have a nice and cozy evening, guys. Goodbye.